嚟啦！好高興認識你啊！其實我認識邊個都咁高興㗎。嚟啦，行埋啲啦，冇問題㗎。Anna唔會咬人嘅，我諗除非佢會咯。
Oh, Olaf, look at all of our new friends! Hi, everyone! Hi there!
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Hi!
Olaf!
Hi, everyone!
哇！真係好多人啊，仲係靚仔靚女添喎。
Ready, Olaf? Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Playhouse. I'm Anna.
我係小白，我最中意攬住人㗎，同埋哈哈笑，仲有行沙灘。
We are so happy that you're here because today is such a special day. It's Summer Snow Day.
我最愛下雪節啊，因為喺呢一日，強大而神秘嘅獨角鯨打咗個乞嗤，噴咗好多雪出嚟，覆蓋住阿德爾。
Olaf, no, it is not about the mighty mystical narwhal.
好啦，我最愛下雪節啦，因為喺呢一日，我哋發現真愛係可以令到冰封嘅心融化㗎。
That's right, Olaf. It is about our sisterly bond.
就係因為咁，你同愛莎可以和好如初。哇！我覺得下雪節真係好溫暖啊
Me too.
咁開心，不如大家一齊講 Happy Summer Snow Day！
Yes, everyone, shout it out! Happy Summer Snow Day!
Happy Summer Snow Day!
Happy Summer Snow Day because today we celebrate our connections to family, friends, and our community.
今日仲會有會議同埋慶典同埋 party 同埋食到食唔落為止啊！
We also spend time with our loved ones, like you, Olaf.
講起屋企人，見愛莎嘅。
Yes, Elsa should be here soon. I sent her a message that the visitors to Arendelle were so excited to see her. Aren't you? I'd love for her to see how we've restored our playhouse. Now I know Elsa's favorite song, and I think if we sing it all together, nice and loud, maybe she'll hear it.
愛莎聽到我哋唱歌就會嚟探我哋。
It's a song our mother taught us when we were little. It goes like this. Repeat after me. Na 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 hey ya na.
Na 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 hey ya na.
Well, that was great, but I don't think Elsa heard. Let's try it again all together. Ready, Olaf?
大家大聲啲唱。
Na 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 hey ya na.
Oh, getting there one more time. Don't be shy, okay?
Na 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 hey ya na.
It worked. Alright, wait right there, okay? She'll be here any minute. Alright, we've got water, earth, air, and fire. Just Elsa. Wait right there, okay? Hi, Olaf. Anna, Elsa, you're here. Of course, I've missed you so much.
哦，有咩好得過見到佢哋兩姊妹諗諗？
I missed you too, Olaf.
哦，點會㗎？我咪喺度咯。
Anna, this is so beautiful. I can't believe this is the same place we used to play when we were young. You really like it?
Of course I do. Some of my favorite memories are playing with you in this room. And there's nothing better than seeing it full of friends. Hello, everyone.
Well, so we are so happy that you're here, especially on Summer Snow Day. Look, we have asked the greatest artisans in all of Arendelle to help us create these sculptures because each one represents a different spirit of the forest.
Anna, they're beautiful.
Air, earth, fire, and water. These spirits helped me to discover who I am.
水，我最中意水啊！唔係，我最中意風或者係土。但係布魯尼係火喎，佢咁可愛。
Anna, Olaf, let's see which spirits our new friends connect with. Maybe they'll learn something about themselves.
That's a wonderful idea. Each spirit has their own personality and a special strength.
哦，我嘅強項係跌散晒都可以砌翻好啊！
Yes, just like that, Olaf. If you open your hearts, the spirits will call to you. Let's try it. Everyone, stand next to your favorite spirit
大家一
statue.
齊感受下邊一個精靈同你嘅聯繫最強啦！
The spirit statue that speaks to you. There's air, earth, fire, and water. Your favorite one. Your favorite.
落翻嚟啦，好重，拎唔到你啊！
Come on, everyone, find a spirit that speaks to your heart. Which
我都唔知
spirit
發生咩事啊！
要我食棉花糖咩？水之靈攞嚟啦！啊，唔係，係我先打我啊！唔係，係我，我真係水，好之靈啦！
I know, it's so hard to choose, Olaf. Maybe think of the colors of the
藍
spirits.
色，唔係，紅色，都係藍色，黃色，格仔，格仔係藍色嚟咩？哦，真係好亂啊！
Well, all of the spirits are calling to everyone. They're all making connections. Look, you all have chosen air. Like the wind spirit, you are playful and adventurous.
玩又中意冒險，呢個組合好得頂啊！
You have chosen earth. You are strong and crafty
And like the bonds of family.
呢家係食到啦。
You have chosen fire. You are filled with enthusiasm and love fire. Nice summer. And last but not least, you are wise and powerful. Like
女之靈嘅朋友仔，我就知你哋又勁又醒目，就好似洛克咁啊！
If we could summon one of these.
yes, Anna, that's a wonderful idea. Would everyone help me summon a spirit of nature? We could do it all together. Everyone, what do you think? Yes, we should summon. Olaf, which spirit do you think we should summon?
風之靈，唔係，係住土，係土之靈。
Yes, of course, Olaf. We should summon the earth giants. Will you all help me? Everyone make this movement with me. Like this. Yes, everyone all together. You try this too.
大家跟住做。
Thank you, everyone. Did you feel that change? The spirits remind us that we are a part of nature, the framework of all living things. They connect all of us into this community of friends.
哦，佢哋兩個又攬攬啦！神嘅兒女。
Anna, it is so fun to be here and play like this. I love summer snow day.
係最正嘅下雪節啊！
Summer snow day is about our bond, and the bridge between Arendelle and the enchanted forest shall be strong forever. Anna, you are a wonderful sister and a great queen.
Well, I learned from the best. Today has been such a fun day. It's not quite over yet, though, is it?
Not yet.
我明超神秘獨個鯨就嚟要打黑椒噴雪啦！
What? No, nothing like that, Olaf. But I am going to do this. Let's make this the best summer snow day ever. Come on, Anna. Thank you so much for visiting. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.
我嚟緊㗎啦，啲靚仔靚女走埋先咯。你哋係準備走㗎啦嗬？今日見到你哋真係好開心㗎，但係走的終須走，不如而家就走啦。今日係咁多啦，真㗎，安娜同艾莎都唔會翻轉頭，佢哋翻咗去森林嗰邊，話唔定就喺度攬攬啦。希望你哋會中意呢個無蜘蛛網森林小天地啦！好在你哋冇見過呢度以前係點樣咋，真係。記住，水係有記憶㗎，所以我唔會忘記你，仲有你同埋你。不住，我有冇見過你㗎？一定要再嚟玩啊！下雪節快樂！拜拜。
下雪節快樂，再見，拜拜。
翻去啦。
小 fans 嚟㗎喎，再見，拜拜。